Hola! My name is Joe and welcome to my channel. If you're one of my subscribers, welcome back. Hey boo, I love you guys. Today we're going to be talking about some designer dupes. Some of these are from Shein, some of them are from Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. This is the first dupe. When I bought this, I didn't know it was a dupe. I just thought it was a cute black bag, so I got it. But turns out this is very Gucci inspired. It has amazing detail on it. Like, look at this. It's perfect. It's like a little mermaid action with like some starfish at the bottom and everything. Open it up. It has a little zip pocket in the back, and then it's divided into, so here's the front and then another little pocket here. No pockets on the outside. This comes up, but it's not an actual pocket here. But yeah, it's gorgeous. It's a really good size. You can wear it like this or with the chain. This is about $20 on Shein. My mom has a real Gucci bag like this, and she's like, "Oh, where'd you get this bag from?" Blah 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 blah. And I told her it was a little $20 bag from Shein, and she was just like, I got ripped off. I paid like $1,000 for my Gucci bag, and I was just like, sucks to suck, girl. I mean, if you love it, you love it. But this is amazing for $20. The Gucci bag runs for about $2,000. The one I have pulled up is $19.80. I'll put a video of that in here if I figure it out. But yeah, this is amazing. I couldn't find this exact one on Shein, but I'll link down below something really similar. Here is the Gucci bag on their site. $19.80 for this black leather. The little like horseshoe thing is a little different, but the Shein one is popping. Next we have these little mules, a little Gucci inspired. These are from Shein as well. I think they were like $20. They're not awesome quality. They're great for pics or like sitting around somewhere, but they're not my fave. They look really nice. They're not leather, like the Gucci ones are, but they're like a faux suede. Adorable. They're good enough. I mean, are they gonna last forever? No. But did you pay $995 for them? No. So yeah, cute little shoes. Next is this little dupe. This is a dupe for the Dior saddlebag. When I first started seeing this bag everywhere, I was just like, that is so ugly. Why do people like that? It's not cute. You're paying thousands of dollars for that. And then I saw this little dupe on Shein, and I was like, oh, I can get this and, use it for a YouTube video because lots of people like the bag. And then when I got it, I liked the bag. And not because it's Dior, because this one isn't Dior. It doesn't have anything that says Dior on it, but it's really cute once you're wearing it. Like, move chair. It's adorable, and now I like it. I don't think I would want to pay $2,000 to $3,000 for one, so this dupe life might be the life for me. It's so cute. Shein had a few different kinds of this. I'll see what they currently have and link some of those options down below. But so cute, so affordable. I mean, this is where the D would normally be, but it's just this little circle. It doesn't have like pockets inside or anything like that. A random TJ Maxx tag. But yeah, I really like this. You can carry it from this handle if you like and completely take this strap off. I wonder if you can get a real Dior strap and jazz it up. I don't know. Okay, I've just pulled up the Dior site to show you some saddlebags. They have a bunch of different ones. 3,600, 29, 37, 27. Thousands of dollars. Next, I have some straps for your Apple Watch, or a band, I guess I should call it. It's Gucci inspired. I went to the Gucci website like when I first started seeing these, and Gucci doesn't actually make Apple Watch bands. People are making them out of like legit deconstructed Gucci items, and I've seen them for about $200 to $300. But this I got on Amazon for $15. It's really cute. It kind of goes with my Gucci slides. Ooh, I'll get them and we'll compare. All right, so compare this to the print on my shoe, like a real Gucci shoe, and it looks pretty darn good, honestly. Like, I love. Here's what it looks like on my wrist and with my watch. The quality is pretty good. Like, I've gotten in the shower with this because my like watch is waterproof and everything was fine. I didn't mean to, but I was used to it because I normally have like these kind of bands on. Yes, highly recommend. It's so cute. Last but not least, I'll do my phone case. I got this from Amazon, and I get so many compliments on this phone case just from the shape alone. Like, people really think it's cool. I didn't think it was that weird of a shape, but all kinds of people love it. The real case is like $1,300, and I refuse to pay $1,300 for a phone case. Like, yeah, there's some designer things that I would buy. Like, I'll have it for a long time. It's worth it. It's great quality. But you're not going to have this case for the rest of your life because your phone is going to change. I saw the real one in person, and like the gold that's on the real case doesn't look better than the gold that's on this one. Like, I thought this looked a little cheap, but I was like, it is cheap, so whatever. I really like it. But no, I saw the real one in person. I was just like, Louis Vuitton. What the fuck? Like, this $1,300 case looks just like my $20 case. Like, what am I paying for? What am I paying for? So yeah, get the dupe, honey, because it looks good. And if it messes up, you can just buy another one and another one and another one and still not have spent $1,300. But that's just my opinion. So yeah, I hope you liked this little haul. I'll leave the links below. If it's not the exact thing, it'll be something super similar. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Have a great life. Bye. Oh, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, all that jazz. Share the video. Watch my other videos. Let's be friends. Okay, bye.